Pullman porters. That is so important to American history. And I can't remember where it is, but there's a statue somewhere, on the way, it's right near the old McCormick place, of a couple of people standing there holding their luggage. Oh, yes. So Pullman Farms could grow all kinds of vegetables. And since there was only one vegetable market in town, the vegetable market was filled with Pullman vegetables that you could buy. Which is why you owed them 2 cents at the end of the week in tough times, okay?